godt at se dig, du gamle.
Ja, men lige mod Fritz. Det er længe siden, vi har fået løbet til.
Ja, vi får slet ikke fået nok filet.
Nej, hvordan gjorde det egentlig med dig, alt det filet?
Ja, men altså, jeg får lidt for meget kaviar, så du kan se på maven, hvis du kigger godt efter.
Ja, det er en forfærdelig ting.
Ja, altså,
det er hårdt at være så rig.
Ja, det er hårdt. Altså, ja, jeg føler sgu lidt med blank nogle gange, når han sidder der i stolen og...
Ja, det er et vidunderligt menneske.
Han er et komplet menneske.
Ja.
For hulen der.
Når du starter filmen. Jeg har hørt, det er en bøssefilm.
Ja, men lad os nu prøve. Vi skal jo ikke tage dem på forhånd.
Jo.
Så der.
Skål.
Skål.
When I was in the 3rd grade, I thought that I was gay, cause I could draw. My uncle was, and I kept my room straight. I told my mom, tears rushing down my face. She's like, Ben, you've loved girls since before pre-K. Tripping. Yeah, I guess she had a point, didn't she? Bunch of stereotypes all in my head. I remember doing the math, like, yeah, I'm good at Little League. A preconceived idea of what it all meant. But those that like the same sex had the characteristics. The right-wing conservatives think it's a decision, and you can be cured with some treatment in religion. Man-made rewiring of a predisposition, playing God. Oh nah, here we go. America the brave still fears what we don't know. God loves all his children, it's somehow forgotten, but we paraphrase a book written 3,500 years ago. I don't know.
And I can't change, even if I tried, even if I wanted to. And I can't change, even if I tried, even if I wanted to. My love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm.
If I was gay, I would think hip-hop hates me. Have you read the YouTube comments lately? Man, that's gay gets dropped on the daily. We become so numb to what we're saying. A culture founded from oppression. Yeah, we don't have acceptance for 'em. Call each other faggots behind the keys of a message board. A word rooted in hate, yet our genre still ignores it. Gay is synonymous with the lesser. It's the same hate that's caused wars from religion, gender to skin color, the complexion of your pigment. The same fight that led people to walkouts and sit-ins. It's human rights for everybody. There is no difference. Live on and be yourself. When I was at church, they taught me something else. If you preach hate at the service, those words aren't anointed. That holy water that you soak in has been poisoned when everyone else is more comfortable remaining voiceless rather than fighting for humans that have had their rights stolen. I might not be the same, but that's not important. No freedom till we're equal. Damn right I support it.
Det var alligevel noget mærkeligt noget, det her Fritz. Hvad er det for en bøssefilm?
Ja, det skal være plads til alle.
Ja, men alligevel.
Det er nye tider.
Ja, men jeg forstår ikke alt det her pølsefjas.
Folk læser ekstra bladet og ikke hører sådan, jeg forstår det simpelthen ikke. Cool her.
Ja, det lugter lidt her.
Er det en podcast, William?
Nej, det er ikke mig. Jeg tror, det er denne musik.
Jeg tror, det er Vian.
Jeg tror, det er Vian. Det er noget, man serverer for pø.
Jeg
tror, vi er fattige, eller hvad?
Good place to start. No law is gonna change us. We have to change us. Whatever God you believe in, we come from the same one. Strip away the fear, underneath it's all the same love. About time that we raised up.
Keeps me warm. She keeps
Det var sgu alligevel en meget god film, var Fritz.
Ja, det var meget inspirerende, kan man sige.
Bedre end forventet.
Ja, måske vi skulle gå ud og tænde op på Fivtøj eller en lille cigar.
Ja, det synes jeg helt sikkert.
Skal vi gøre det?
Ja, selvfølgelig.
Lad os gøre det.